James and Jason here. So we've been seeing this recipe trending on Twitter and thought we'd try it for ourselves just to see what the hype was all about.
Now, on some of the reviews that we saw of the original recipe, it did say that the flavor could be kind of bland, so we're gonna add a couple of extra ingredients to see if we can enhance the flavor a little bit.
Let's get cooking.
Here's what you'll need to get started. 2.5 cups of short grain white rice, 3 pieces of original KFC chicken, 14 fluid ounces of chicken stock, 1 to 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, we chose Maggie's seasoning sauce, a few stems of green onion, a piece of ginger, 3 cloves of garlic, and a few pinches of salt and pepper. Start by washing your rice. We recommend any short grain Asian variety of rice. Now add your chicken stock. The water level should be about a ½ inch above the surface of the rice. Now add in your 3 cloves of garlic. It's important to crush these beforehand to release the aromatics. Add in the ginger, crushed as well. Then add your green onion stems. We then added about 1.5 tablespoons of Maggie's seasoning soy sauce. Now add in a few pinches of salt and pepper. Place in your 3 pieces of original KFC fried chicken. Put the pot back in the rice cooker and follow the directions for white rice as per usual. Alternatively, you can also use an Instant Pot and follow the settings for white rice. We decided to make our own chili sauce, but feel free to skip this step. Here's what you'll need. 3 red chilies, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 to 2 Thai chilies, sugar, and white vinegar or lime. Start by removing the stems from the chilies and dicing them. We'll be using a mortar and pestle for the next step, but feel free to put the rest of these ingredients in a food processor and blend them until they're smooth. Use about 2 to 3 teaspoons of sugar. We went with 1 Thai chili, but feel free to use 2 if you want to kick up the heat. Lastly, we added about 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Alternatively, you can squeeze about half a lime. And there you have a fresh chili paste. Once the rice cooker has indicated that it's finished, remove the 3 pieces of chicken and shred it. Don't forget to remove any bones as well. This should be pretty easy, as after it's finished cooking, it's pretty soft. At this point, feel free to remove the green onion, garlic, and ginger. Put the chicken directly back in the pot and mix well. And there you have your Japanese-style KFC chicken rice. We paired it with some fresh cucumber and lightly pickled carrots.
So we've got the finished dish here. When we took it out of the rice cooker, it was really fragrant. It smelled like KFC, but
It did, like KFC in your kitchen.
Yeah, it was great. Expectations are kind of high from that scent. We'll see if the taste matches the scent.
Okay, let's go.
My cilantro.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Chicken still tastes like KFC seasoning. No, I think it's pretty good.
I think it is too. I don't think ours is bland, but I see how if you put too much water or
people can make it bland.
Yeah, because it's seasoned, but it's pretty like light. You know, it's not like hearty like a fried rice is. It's got more of a mellow.
Yeah, I think if you don't add enough soy sauce, or maybe if you don't salt it enough, it could be really bland if it's just chicken broth and the chicken and you know.
But I mean, I taste the KFC seasoning in here.
It's good.
I'm gonna try some with some chili sauce.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to that. I bet it's really spicy because we put Thai chilies in it.
Yeah.
Oh, kill me, please.
He's a little.
Don't kill me. I'm gonna have you try it first and then I'll try it, but I want to eat some more of the rice.
Oh my god.
Really? You know what would be good? If we cracked raw egg yolk on top.
Or a fried egg on top of this and get that nice egg run. Be really good.
We'll do that next time.
You know, before the chili sauce, I'd give this like 5 or 6 out of 10. But with the chili sauce, that's a solid like 8 or 9, yo.
Oh yeah? I don't
Yeah.
know. I think it's higher than 5 or 6 out of 10 for me. I think it's pretty good. I would eat this.
I guess if you factor in the simplicity of this dish, like it's so easy to make.
Yeah, order some chicken, stick it in a rice cooker.
Yeah, it's like one of those one pot meals. You could do this in your pressure cooker, like those little like electric pressure cookers. I forgot what they're called, aroma pots or something.
Okay, is it really spicy? I don't
Did you
want it
see
to
how
be
much
super
chili sauce he got?
I got some. Okay,
It was
that's all
like,
that matters.
baby. My chili sauce.
Oh,
is
your
good.
chili sauce is good. I like it. Yeah, this is good. All those people that were giving it bad reviews, I think they just made it wrong. I don't know. Or maybe the KFC chicken they got wasn't good.
Yeah, maybe also. I don't know how much what their chicken to rice ratio is, but definitely the more chicken you put in there, the more flavor you're gonna get out of the chicken.
This is actually really good. It's better than I thought it would have been.
Yeah, I was expecting something a little more bland. I thought it might be like watered down KFC.
The only downside to this is the skin of the chicken isn't crispy anymore. Like that's the only thing I wish we could do differently.
You'll have to get your crunch elsewhere, maybe in this.
In the cucumber, yeah. I mean, I guess you could take the skin off of the chicken and put it in like, you know, your little toaster oven, but then it won't get cooked into the rice, so.
Yeah, no, you need the skin in the rice cooker for the flavor.
Yeah.
And that brings us to the end of today's video. If you enjoyed the video, then go ahead and hit like and subscribe, and let us know in the comment section down below if you have an idea for a twist on this recipe. See you guys next time.